Oh, hello. You just in time for one of my very first installments of Veston's Lunch Cooking Tips. Today, we're going to show you how to cook a hot dog. Now, come with me. See over here, this microwave? Yeah, this is the microwave. You have to put this hot dog in the microwave like so. Now, it's very easy to cook. All you have to do is set it for 30 seconds. Now, in the meantime, I'm gonna go find some chips. Chips are always the easy side dish to use for this. You can't see me right now doing this, but I am gonna pour. Okay, hold on. Jumping jelly beans. Oh well, it seems I've gotten an exploded hot dog. Nobody's perfect. Just put this into the hot dog and let me grab some ketchup. Voila! Now we're going to pour in some chips into that bowl over there.
Veston, what are you doing?
Well, Mom, in case you're wondering, I'm trying to get the side dish ready.
And you are weighing it with a scale?
I'm using it with the scale. It's important.
Why is it important?
It's important to test out the grams.
Portion control.
That's right.
Very good.
Now, boys and girls, just take the chips you poured out and then dump it onto the plate. Now you have one more thing. Ask me, what is the one more thing?
What is the one more thing?
You need a glass of milk.
Yes, I think that sounds delicious.
There we go. Now we have a glass of milk. And as you can see, this is the right lunch for now. And it's good too.
Good. Looks delicious.
I'll bet you do. I'll bet it does. So remember, you just need those three things. I mean, 4. Hot dog, ketchup, chips, milk, and a hot dog bun. I know that's 5. So just remember, always remember those ingredients. Join us again for another one of Veston's lunch cooking tips. Bye for now.